Okay, so we've got the front of our frame all scrubbed up, and now we're back here in the frame, or in the back frame, with our hammer and our sear and where the rest of our trigger assembly comes and engages the firearm. And we're just going to give that a good scrub, good clean with our brass brush. Now, I like to use this brass brush because the bristles are so fine, and inside here where the hammer is a little spring set, and that's attached to my hammer and sear, and I like to make sure that those bristles get inside that little spring area down inside here. All right, that's actually looking pretty good. And if you had any kind of dirt and grit and grime inside your magazine well, you could get in there with a nylon brush or with, the brass brush just very lightly and scrub that away. But as I'm looking down inside, I'm not seeing any buildup, so I'm not going to much worry about that right now. So what we're going to do now is we're actually going to swab, clean, and wipe down these parts.